Let me just log in for demonstration purposes to give you a better overview of what jobs are available in the portfolio and which jobs come with higher or lucrative payment rates and conditions. So guys, once you're inside, simply click on this button here on your home screen, find jobs, to get redirected to this list of supported job categories. They feature, for example, remote jobs you can do from the comfort of your own home in job categories like data collection, software development, transcription, as previously mentioned. Then, for example, they feature remote jobs you can complete as a translator, interpreter. Then they feature also product tests and also tasks and remote jobs that can be categorized as content creation. What exactly would be expected from you to do as a freelancer? Well, that's actually pretty different and may vary depending on a variety of factors like the job category, for example, the client's industry, the client's budget, the task length, complexity, and so on and so forth. For example, amongst these data collection jobs, they currently feature voiceover or voice recording jobs. For example, you can complete if you speak the given language, which in this case here would be German. We may learn more about the given task or job by clicking on it and by reading through the job description. However, guys, I can tell you already that a good portion of the supported remote jobs here in the portfolio of OneForma are more or less related to AI training. Now, don't worry if that's the first time you hear the term AI training. It is actually fairly simple, guys. You absolutely don't need to be an expert in IT or in AI technologies to complete these AI training jobs. It is actually fairly simple. Some of these AI training jobs, like voiceover recordings, may require from the tasker or freelancer to record audios or voiceovers or to record various texts for a client in the given language. And after that, these audio recordings or voiceovers are used for various AI training purposes. For example, to provide various voice recognition software or navigation software with the necessary data, properly labeled data, to add some context to this so that these AI services and solutions on the market may work more efficiently and smoothly. You may find these so-called AI training jobs and tasks in a variety of industries and job categories, not only in audio recording or voiceover recording jobs, but also in so-called image, video, or text annotation tasks, in which it would be your responsibility and task to correctly label already collected data like images, photos, videos, for example, or texts, and for instance, to add suitable text to the given photo, image, video, or text to train various AI services and solutions that source data from these images, videos, and text to work smoothly and properly. What about the job requirements? Well, these may vary, of course, depending on the job or task type and the industry. However, guys, you can already guess it. For a seemingly simple AI training or data collection, data labeling task like this one here, recording voiceovers, it will definitely be required from you as an applying freelancer to have some well-developed language or speaking skills so that you may be able to record these texts without any spelling mistakes. What about the payment rate? Well, that depends on the given task. For example, in this case here, taskers would be required to record text or audios of 15 minutes length to get paid $7.50 per approved batch. Or in other words, the payment ratio here is $7.50 per 15 minutes of work. Now guys, as previously mentioned, expect a lot of competitors to qualify, or at least to try to qualify and apply for the same remote jobs you approach. To increase your chances of getting approved as a tasker, make sure that you match the required skills, that you align with the job requirements. And as a bonus, guys, you may, for example, try to give your user or tasker profile here on OneForma a professional touch by qualifying for specific certifications and badges in a variety of categories, like for example languages, inscription, categorization of products, and so on and so forth. Of course, to qualify for such a certification would be required from you first to complete a training and to pass a test successfully so that your skills in the given field may be assessed accurately. You can submit your application by clicking on that Apply Now button here below the given job's description. Just remember, guys, and take this very seriously, that it is not allowed to use any AI-powered tools for completing these jobs and tasks unless it is specifically mentioned by the client, employer, or recruiter. Another major down point of registering here on OneForma is that unfortunately they don't feature too many of these remote jobs in their portfolio. Not only now while I'm recording this review video, I've been a registered member here in OneForma for quite a long time now, and I have never seen any masses of available remote jobs in these job categories. Usually it's up to 5 or maybe up to 10 of available jobs you will find in their portfolio, which is not too much, as you probably will agree. That's probably one of the main reasons why the reviews here on Reddit, for example, or in the App Store for the OneForma job site or application haven't been too positive. As you can see, OneForma has received so
Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.
We're going to be diving into both, actually trying to find out which one brings in more money. So if you're interested in all of that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload videos on how to make money or how to score brand deals. Make sure you comment down below, and if you are a returning subscriber, please do comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it.